How to change filter in Lost Light game using your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If your screen looks too bright, too dark, or you just want a different visual style in Lost Light game, you can adjust it in a few minutes. First of all, launch open the Lost Light game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby page, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Once you open this gear menu, go to the left hand side and click on video. Inside video, scroll through the options and find the filter preference option. Go ahead and choose between the filter preferences. You can choose between smooth, vibrant, realistic, or soft according to your preferences. Once you choose one of the filter options, you can now get back to the home screen, and there you have successfully changed the filter of the game. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.